1,000 years ago, prehistoric monkey men lived in dry, harsh desert lands.
Their days were spent searching for water, shade, and any food they could find under the burning sun. They survived by traveling in groups, moving during cooler hours, and climbing rocky hills to spot danger.
They gathered desert fruits, hunted small animals, and relied on their strong instincts.
At night, they often rested inside caves or behind large rocks to stay safe from predators and cold winds.
They used gestures, loud calls, and hand signals to warn each other of danger. Their simple communication helped the whole group stay together and stay alive in the empty desert.
Life in the desert is difficult, yet you survive through teamwork, strong instincts, and smart shelter making.